Hi there, students. Upheaval. Upheaval. This is a noun, can be both countable and uncountable. Okay, upheaval means a big change that causes all sorts of problems. It causes confusion and worry and difficulties. Okay, but yeah, change is always difficult. I don't know if you've ever moved house, but moving house causes a massive amount of upheaval. Yeah, all your things go into, you pack them up and you pack them into a van and take them to a new place, and you don't know where anything is. This is upheaval. Yeah, disturbance, disorder, turmoil. There has been a lot of political upheaval in the country over the recent years. So political disturbance, yeah, change which involves difficulty, a lot of activity, a lot of trouble, things like this. So upheaval, disruptive change, moving from one state to another. Yeah, a sudden violent disruption, violent problem. Okay, we've got this verb to heave. To heave means to lift something, to lift with difficulty, to lift it up. He heaved the suitcase onto the bed. Okay, so upheaval, everything's lifted up with difficulty, with problems, and then we've actually got the verb to upheave, to lift up something very heavy. He upheaved the rock and threw it into the middle of the road. Okay, so lifting something with great force. You can actually also have upheaval in geology. For example, the Andes, the mountain range. This is two tectonic plates meeting, and the one that goes up, this is upheaval. It's being pushed upwards. And that's the idea of to upheave or upheaval. Okay, so upheaval, sudden violent disruption. There was a lot of upheaval when we had to change offices. Yeah, it caused a huge amount of disorder. I don't know, if you have a baby, having a baby will cause a great deal of upheaval. Yeah, disruption to your normal daily life. Yeah, disorder and turmoil. Yeah, yes. COVID has caused a lot of economic upheaval. I think probably more upheaval for the companies than actually for the workers. So an upheaval, a large, momentous change. Yeah. Invention of new technology causes upheaval in various industries. Okay. So it causes change which needs to be dealt with in one way or another. Okay, so upheaval, a change. For example, when a child leaves home, maybe that causes a great deal of emotional upheaval for the parents. Yeah, upheaval, problems that come as a result of change. Yeah, or difficulties. Yeah, because we're all resistant to change. The team lost four home games in a row, and the management decided to change all of the players, which caused a great deal of upheaval. Yeah, okay, people didn't know what they were supposed to be doing. Maybe they were upset about it. The murder of this man caused a great deal of social upheaval. Yeah, or maybe there's a great upheaval of people going towards the beach in the summer in August, yeah, and then there's all the upheaval of getting there and all the upheaval of getting back. Yeah. So technological upheaval. A period of upheaval. So I think we've been living in a time of technological upheaval because a radical new piece of technology changes the way that we do things. And this is difficult to deal with. It causes difficulty. Okay, so upheaval to upheave. Okay, so upheaval, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. And then upheaval, well, up easy. And the word heave, which comes from Proto-Germanic habjana, to take up or to lift, from Proto-Indo-European kfeti, uh, uh, which also comes from the root. It has the idea of a lift as well. Okay, so upheaval. There was upheaval in the classroom as there was a fight between two boys sitting at the back. Yeah, change, disruption, things like that. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Upheaval, to upheave, or even to heave.